Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Malibu RS. Take a quick walk around. I personally love the looks of it. With the RS trim you get the blacked out badging. Looks really good. Shadow gray metallic is this color. CVT transmission is mated to the 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Good amount of back seat room. I'm going to open this door before you can see that shadow gray metallic just looks absolutely phenomenal in the sun. Interior, just as nice. Nice leather wrapped wheel. It does have the cloth seats. Really nice. I like this a lot. Chevy 3 infotainment system. Easy to use. Apple Carplay, Android Auto. No, I'll leave that on for the drive. You guys might like seeing some of that. This 1.5 has a ton of power. Visibility is absolutely excellent. It's a lot of fun to drive. Definitely more so than the base Malibu that I reviewed. Now we are in auto start stop. You can see the gauge points to auto stop. Soon as you lift off the brake, or when it senses the battery's too drained, it will turn itself back on. Of course, if you don't like that, you can just shut it off. That's always an option. When it's off, the AC still blows cold. Alright, so it turned itself back on. Detected. It's too much of a need for everything to keep it shut off. Brake pedal feels phenomenal. Good initial bite. You don't have to bury the pedal to get the braking force desired. Overall, I like the way the Malibu drives. This one just feels a little bit more special. I do believe the RS did tune the suspension a little bit, but it just feels nice. You do have your manual mode. brakes are so good. It's just a lot of fun. I also like how this is the infotainment system. It's not risen above, you know, like stuck up here. Slightly raised above, up on the top. But other than that, it's perfect the way it sits. It just drives phenomenally well. Brakes are so good. On this back road, it just drives so well. Coming up to our suspension testing area. I'm gonna have to abandon test. But after driving on rougher roads on the way here, it handles them phenomenally well. I think this is perfect for someone who likes the Malibu, wants the sedan, you know, and doesn't want M3 level of performance, but wants a fun daily driver. The RS looks great, adds a nice little wing on the back, and it drives really, really well. It definitely drives like an M340i or something to that level. That's what I can basically say. It's not a Camaro sedan, but it might be a Camaro V6 sedan or a Camaro 4-cylinder sedan. On that note, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.